Now let us see exercise 3.12, 7th question. Now see the question. Music is being played in two opposite galleries with a certain group of people. In the first gallery, a group of 4 singers were singing, and in the second gallery, 9 singers were singing. The two galleries are separated by the distance of 70 meters. Where should a person stand for hearing the same intensity of the singer's voice? So in this question, they have given music is being played in two opposite galleries. Okay, so this is the first gallery, this is the second gallery. So two opposite galleries. So in the first gallery, a group of 4 singers were singing. So in the first gallery, how many players were singing? So 4 singers were singing. After in the second gallery, 9 singers were singing. Okay, so here 4 singers in the first gallery, and the second gallery 9 singers were singing. So after in our question, they have given the two galleries are separated by the distance of 70 meters. So that means from the first gallery to second gallery, so the distance they have given. So from the first gallery to second gallery, the distance they have given, that is 70 meter they have given. After here one person is standing. So where he can stand? So in the first gallery only 4 singers were singing, but in the second gallery 9 singers were singing. So if he stands near the first gallery only, he can hear the voice well. Okay, so the sound intensity here more because 9 singers were singing, but here sound intensity is less only because 4 singers only they were singing. So now if we stand nearby the first gallery only, okay, so now this distance, so this distance you can consider as a x. And this distance, how we can find out? So we know that this the distance we know that is 70 meter. From the person to first gallery we have considered as a x. So this distance, the full distance after subtract with this distance only we can get it the remaining this distance. Okay, so that is 70 minus x. Okay, so first two opposite galleries are there. In the first gallery 4 singers were singing. After in the second gallery 9 singers were singing. From the first gallery to second gallery, so the distance that is 70 meter. So one person is standing here. So where he can stand? Here the first gallery only 4 singers were singing, but in the second gallery 9 singers were singing. So if he stand nearby the first gallery only, he can hear the voice well. Okay, so the sound intensity here more, here less only. So he can stand nearby the first gallery only. So this distance from the person to first gallery you can consider as a x. After the full distance we know that 70 meters. So this distance, how we can find out? The full distance subtract with this distance mean we can get it this part. Okay, so that is 70 minus x. So now here we need to find out where should a person stand for hearing the same intensity of the singers only we need to find out. So in this question they have given one hint. So using this hint only we are going to find the answer. So now see what they have given. The ratio of the sound intensity is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding distance. So what they have given? The ratio of the sound intensity is equal to. So the ratio of the sound intensity means you know that the first gallery how many players were singing? 4 players. The second gallery 9 players were singing. So the sound intensity, the ratio of the sound intensity, what it will come? 4:9 is equal to their corresponding distance. What is it? So their corresponding distance only they have given. The ratio of their corresponding distance they have given. So corresponding distance means from the person to the first gallery, the distance that is x is to the next one from the person to the second gallery, the distance is 70 minus 6. So this both one ratio only, but here they have given square of the ratio of their corresponding distance. So square also you have to make it. So x square and 70 minus x the whole square. So the ratio of the sound intensity, that is 4:9, is equal to their corresponding distance. What is it? The ratio of their corresponding distance, that is x is to 70 minus x it will come. Here they have given square of the ratio of their corresponding distance. So make the square of both ones. So x square, here 70 minus x the whole square. So this using this hint only we are going to find that. Now let us see the solution. Let the position of the person in between the two galleries be P, who stand at a distance at x meter. So here we know that here the first gallery, here the second gallery. The first gallery 4 players were singing. The second gallery 9 players were singing. From the first gallery to second gallery, the distance that is 70 meters. So gallery 1 to gallery 2, the distance that is 70 meter. A person is standing nearby the first gallery because here the sound intensity is less. 4 players only they are singing. So here 9 players were singing. Okay, so a person is standing nearby the first gallery only, he can hear the voice well. So this distance what we have taken? X. So that means from the person to the first gallery. So gallery 1 to that person, the distance is x meter. After from the second gallery to that person, that distance, that is 70 minus x. So gallery 2 to P. Okay, so G1, G2 to P, that distance we have taken as 70 minus x meter. So here already I said, here one hint they have given. So the ratio of the, since the ratio of the sound intensity is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So the ratio of the sound intensity means 4:9. Okay, so 4:9 is equal to, so after here the square of the ratio of their corresponding distance. So square of their corresponding distance means we know that here the corresponding distance from the person to the first gallery, the distance that is x, is to from the person to the second gallery, that distance that is 70 minus x. But here they have given square of their corresponding distance, the ratio of the square of their corresponding distance they have given. So make the square of that one. So here 70 minus x square. So the ratio of the sound intensity, that is 4:9, equal to, after the distance, their corresponding distance, so the square of the ratio of their corresponding distance. So this is this hint only in our question they have given, already I said. So here this you can write as 4/9 is equal to x square divided by 70 minus x the whole square. So in between equal to you can cross multiply. So 4 into 70 minus x the whole square is equal to 9 into x square. So now 4, here this is the a minus b the whole square formula. So a square means 70 square. Here a, that is 70, b, that is x. 70 square, that is 4,900 minus 2ab. 2 into 70 into x means 270, that is 140, into x means 140x, plus b square. B square means here b, that is x. So b square means that is x square is equal to 9x square. This 4 you can multiply inside. So 4 into 4,900, that is 19,600 minus 4 into 140 into x, that is 560x, plus 4 into x square, that is 4x square is equal to 9x square. So all the part bring it to that side. So 9x square. So this 4x square, if you bring it to that side, that is 4 minus 4x square. This minus 560x, if you transpose to the right hand side, plus 560x. Here plus value, if you transpose this value, that means minus 19,600 is equal to 0. So right after, if you subtract here, here you have to write 9x square. This 4x square, you can bring it to that side, that is minus 4x square. The next one, minus 560x, if you transpose to that side, that is plus 560x. The next one, this plus 19,600, if you transpose mean, that is minus 19,600 is equal to 0. Now the 9x square minus 4x square, that is 5x square, plus 560x minus 19,600 is equal to 0. Now we have got it. For this all the terms which is commonly we can take 5 is common. Okay, so because 5 here the last ending with the 0 only, so 5 table is common for that. So x square plus here what it will come, 5 1 is 5, here also 5 1 is 5, remaining ones, so 10 you have, so 112x minus here also what it will come, 5 3s are 15, the remaining remaining what it will come, 46 you have, so 9 5s are 45, remaining ones, so 5 2s are, so 5 2s are 10, so remaining 0 will come. Okay, so then after equal to 0, this 5 if you bring it to that side, it will become 0. 0 divided by 5, so that is 0 only. Now we have got it one quadratic equation. We know that how to find out using the square of product sum method. Here the product is minus 3,920 and the sum, you know that the coefficient of x, that is 112. So these two numbers are, it is possible. Okay, so here coefficient 1 only, so the same thing only it will come. The variable here, what is it? X. So x plus 140 into x minus 28. Okay, so now you know that x plus 140 is equal to 0 or x minus 28 is equal to 0. Now x plus 14 is equal to 0. You can 14 you can bring it to that side, then x is equal to minus 1 here 140. Okay, so minus 140, or here what it will come, x minus 28 is equal to 0. 28 if we transpose, minus 28 if we transpose to that side, that plus 28. So x is equal to 28 will come. Now we know that here the distance only we are finding. The distance we will not consider the negative number, we will not take it. Okay, so you can eliminate this value. So you can consider the positive number, that is x is equal to 28 meter. So the person should stand 28 meter from the gallery. So we see from the person to the first gallery, the distance we have considered as a x. So that x value, that is we have got it 28 meter. So this distance from the first gallery to that person, the distance 28 meter. After from the second gallery to that person, that we have taken as we have taken that distance 70 minus 6. So at 70 minus 28 means that is 42 meter it will come. So you can write the answer. The person should stand 28 meter from the gallery 1. Okay, so this distance 28 meter from the gallery 1. The person should stand from the gallery 1, that is 28 meter. From the gallery 2, so that is 42 meter. So you have to write 42 meter from the gallery 2 to hear the same intensity of the singer's voice. That is the answer. Thank you.